Hello students, we will start firstly the chapter of marketing sales of class 10th. We start with this chapter with the unit number 1. It is introduced in two parts. First part I will tell you today. So, if you are not subscribed the channel of Saint Xavier, so please subscribe it now. Otherwise you are not getting the notifications of all the videos of all the related subjects. So please subscribe it now. Firstly, we introduce the chapter of marketing with the topic of introduction to marketing. In this sense, we have to note it. First thing, definition of marketing. Another one, marketing management philosophies. Differentiate between sales and market orientation. Fourth one, marketing process. Fifth one, trend in marketing. So in these 5 points we have to know about the introduction of marketing. So let's start. Firstly, what is marketing? Marketing is a sense marketing is a business process which is promoted the goods and services of the business for the increasing the sales of the company and making the profit. So it introduced with these 5 points, later on 7 points. So we firstly, promotion means you have to promote the product, promote the services. Okay, next one, place basically place is affected the market, because you have seen in our local area also, in a cinema choraha or between the cinema choraha and the bada choraha market, there is a market. So there is a place, heart of the city. It is a heart of the city. So this is the example for the place preferences. Okay, next one is price of the product. Next one, product qualities and all. Public relations means dealing of the customers. Advertisement of the product. Personal selling, through the personal selling also market establish or increase their profit. So what is marketing? There are two sense, a philosophy, an attitude, a perspectives, management orientation, but a set of including the product, pricing, promotion, distribution and place. We already discussed these some points in last page. So we change in the definition of marketing. In two sense, American Marketing Association and Dr. Phillips Kotler, they are giving a two different definition for the marketing. So you have to understand this one, but you have to know a simple meaning of marketing is you have to promote the selling of goods and services through the advertising and promote our product is known as marketing. In these two sense you have to understand two different meanings of marketing given. According to Kotler, a social and the managerial process where the individual or the group, they satisfy their needs, they satisfy their wants with the buying of products and satisfaction of the consumer. So next one is, simply put me, if we are saying marketing is a delivery of customer satisfaction at a profit, yes, it is true. Whenever customer go for purchasing any of the product, firstly they have to satisfy their want at the same price, and company want a profit obtained after the satisfaction of the customer. So it is the simple meaning of marketing. Other some definition also given. See, in this sense 3 definitions also given. So if you are wanted to learn these 3, so you have to learn from this different authors definition. Next topic is core marketing concept. What is the core marketing concept? Core marketing, it's belong to the online or the internet marketing. Clear? So firstly we see first point in needs and wants of and demands. It creates from the customer sides. Demand creates by the desire means जो हम चाहते हैं. Clear? Next point is product, services and enterprise. जब हम अपनी डिमांड किसी को बताते हैं, then company creates a product and services on their experiences. Third one is value satisfaction of quality. When production starts, when the company start the production, it keeps the satisfaction or needs of the customer in their minds. After that, exchange and transactions and make the relationship. Exchange means with the help of money they have to exchange their product, and transaction made by the goods and services, and make the good relationship with the customer. Last one is market. It goes to the product. When product prepare in the company, it goes to the market for selling the product. This is a full cycle, is known as core marketing concept. Clear? So see the next thing. What are the consumer needs, wants and demands? Needs ज़रूरत, wants वो क्या चाहते हैं, demands according to the buying power also. So we have seen the what are the consumer needs. Consumer needs means the physical wants, social wants, individual needs like hungers and like जो भी चीज़ें जो भी हम खरीदना चाहते हैं, they are fulfill our needs, means जो हमारी needs को fulfill कर दे. Wants from the human needs, it shaped the culture, individual personality, different persons having different wants. And demand is known as desire also. Those are having the power of buying is known as, it's complete the demand, or it's known as the demand of the human person. Next topic is the organization focus. Organization means the company focus on that points. It creates a three key issues for developing competitive advantage. First, create consumer values. Next one, build long-term relationship. Third one, maintain customer satisfaction. Create customer values means whenever the company make the product, it's keep their mind the customer satisfaction and the values of the customer. Means without a customer we are not able to make a profit. Okay. Next one is build long relationship. Whenever the customer satisfy with our product, it make a long relationship. जब भी customer एक product से satisfy होता है, वो उसको बार बार खरीदता है, so it makes a long relationship. Next one is maintain customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction को बनाए रखने के लिए they have to improve the quality of goods, they have to give the good quality of products. Next one is customer values. Customer values, it's very important point for every and each producer, because it is a ratio benefit of the sacrifice necessary obtain those benefits. Means जब तक हमारा customer satisfy, whenever our customer not satisfy, so our profit it's not be able to increase day by day. So next one is customer values requirement. Customer values requirement are there. In some points, offer product that perform, give consumer more than they expect, avoid unrealistic prices, give the buyer facts, and offer organization wide commitment in services and after sales support. It means फर्स्टली ऑफर प्रोडक्ट दैट परफॉर्म. जो प्रोडक्ट वो चाह रहे हैं कस्टमर के वैल्यूज़ के अकॉर्डिंग उनको वो प्रोडक्ट मिलना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट वन, गिव कंज्यूमर्स मोर देन एक्सपेक्ट. जितना वो एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं हमको उससे ज़्यादा उनको देना चाहिए. अवॉइड अनरियलिस्टिक प्राइस. ऐसे प्राइस नहीं रखने चाहिए जिससे वो खरीद भी ना पाएँ. नेक्स्ट वन, गिव द बायर फैक्ट्स. बायर के फैक्ट्स को ध्यान में रखना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, ऑफर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाइड कमिटमेंट. जो भी कमिटमेंट सर्विसेज का आपने किया है एज अ प्रोड्यूसर, यू हैव टू फुलफिल बिफोर सेल्स ऑल्सो एंड आफ्टर सेल्स ऑल्सो. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction is the most important factor for making profit long time, because without satisfaction consumer does not purchase more than one time the product. Means whenever the consumer satisfy their needs and satisfy by the product, then again and again they offer or they want that particular product for the long time. So it means customer satisfaction is very important factor for all the producers. Next one is relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is a relationship between the consumer and the buyer. Means consumer and the seller and the buyer, they make the long relationship with the help of product and services. Whenever we are producing any product, so we have to keep the satisfaction or the needs of the customer in our mind. After that we have to produce our goods, and with the help of goods and services we make the long relationship with the customers. See, in the relationship marketing, some requirements, building areas are given. Who are your customer? Customer आपका कौन है? Next, what do customer values? आपकी नज़रों में क्या वैल्यू है कस्टमर की? What do they want to buy? वो क्या चीज़ चाहते हैं खरीदना? How do they prefer to interact? हम उनको क्या दें जिससे वो प्रोडक्ट के प्रति इंट्रैक्ट हों? They have to interact about the product. Next one is building long-term relationship. There are some topics also given. First, customer oriented personnel. Next one, effective training programs, empowered employees and teamwork. कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड पर्सनल मीन्स अपनी और कस्टमर की दोनों को ओरिएंटेशन के अकॉर्डिंग हमको पॉलिसीज सेट करनी चाहिए. इफेक्टिव ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम, वी हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज अ इफेक्टिव ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम्स. empowered employees, ऐसे employees होने चाहिए. they have to interact the customers about their products. And teamwork also, they have to work as a team. Next one is so in this part we have discussed only these topics. See the second part of first unit in the next video. Thank you so much for listening me.